Hi everyone, it's Isabel talking to you from the Morinville Community Library, and today I'm here to tell you a little bit about Alberta Culture Days. So Alberta Culture Days is a town-wide event and there's going to be lots happening. It's going to take place September 24th, and what the library is doing is we're going to be giving out those little kit bags with those items in it, a little mini canvas and some paints and paintbrushes. And we will be giving you some information with that on how to create a mini piece of art. So it can be anything you want, anything that makes you happy, colors, shapes, abstract, your dog, flowers, anything you want. And we'll have some information as well on when to return your little piece of art to the library, because what we're hoping to do at the end of October is have a mini art show in the library so we can display the wonderful things that you will have created. So again, the location for this event will be announced online by the town, so just watch online for the location where to pick up those kits. And we can't wait to see you there, and we can't wait to see your art. So come on down, September 24th.